What's up, Peak Timers? Phil here from Peak Time Racing. Today we're gonna open up a bunch of new Hot Wheels, including this brand new Bugatti. And we'll start it off with the 2015 Dodge Charger SRT from the HW Rescue series. And this one actually came as a Chase ID car as well. So watch for that on the pegs. But until then, we've got the mainline variation. So let's go ahead and pop it open and get a nice look at it. And it is a nice bright yellow color, as you can see right there. We've got some writing on the front that says Rescue 7 on it, which is interesting. If we look from the front, we don't have much as far as tampo work or anything like that goes. You can see right there for the front lights. They've saved all the lettering and stuff for the side and the top of it. We've got some little lights on there. They got that light bar right there. The blacked out wheels with the nice colored lip on there. And we don't have much on the back as far as stamping or anything like that goes. But not bad, an all-around good-looking Dodge Charger. Tri-Sera truck, we've got a brand new color variation of it from the Dino Rider series. Let's go ahead and pop it open and get a look at this one. And this is quite the interesting casting if you're a fantasy collector. This is definitely one to get because just look at how crazy this thing is. Just look at this, the weird like kind of fin things that are coming up and the horns that are on it. It looks very, very aggressive from the front end. We got the nice colored wheels and the colored lip on them as well. And in the back, it looks like we've got the engine with the exhaust that just kind of rotates right out of there. But overall, kind of a funny looking casting, but I do like the new recolors of these ones. Nissan R390 GT1, brand new color of this one in red from the Factory Fresh series. We did see this one originally released in blue as the first release casting, new for 2021. Let's go ahead and pop open this new red one, and it's kind of like a darker, like maroonish candy apple type of red color. You can see right there. We don't have much as far as stamping or anything like that goes. It's a pretty clean looking car. We can see these wheels on here. They're kind of period correct. This is like I think it's an early 90s car. And we look on the back right there. We've got some nice stamping and tempo work for the lights and all of that right there. And on the front end, you can see the nice stamping for the lights right there. So it's a nicely detailed car. I like that grille on the front, looks really good. It's just an overall fast looking designed car. Turtle Shell, brand new color of Turtle Shell. As you can see from the Street B series, very chromed out on the Turtle Shell, different color wheels, tire combination from the front and back. Let's go ahead and have a look at Turtle Shell right here. This kind of goes with our previous dinosaur car, kind of looks like that style right there, but there is the turtle look on the front, red turtle with the big chrome shell on that one. Very, very cool, like that big chrome shell, very shiny. Red wheels, and then the front we've got the different colored ones with the white kind of on the inside trim right there. We've got the big exhaust coming out the back right there and the engine right there. Very, very nice. You can see that little cute little turtle face on this one. 2015 Mazda MX-5 Miata from the Then and Now series. We've got a brand new color variation of this one right here. Let's go ahead and see what it's all about. And this one does have a matte finish paint job on there. It's a matte gray. I actually really, really like this one. It does look really cool. It feels really nice. We got the nice striping that comes kind of off-centered. We actually saw this exact car in red, same striping and everything like that. We got the nice blacked out wheels on there. We got some white trim on the side with the Mazda logo right there. The Hot Wheels logo right out the front right there as well. Big rear wing on this one. We got the roll cage in there, blacked out interior. It's an overall great looking Mazda Miata MX-5. La Troka from the HW Art Cars series, and you can see all the beautiful artwork on this one right here. Let's go ahead and open it up and see what it's all about. Ooh, lots of gold on this one. We actually didn't really notice while it was inside, but you can see, look at the gold base on that. That's very, very cool. We got the gold wheels on there as well. And I guess the paint on there, it's kind of like a little bit, not like a shiny gold, but it is gold as well. We got the Art Cars logoing right there on the side. There's that big chrome gold grill on the front, and you can see all the artwork that just kind of shines through on the hood. Very, very nicely done. The H on the top of it to spell out Hot Wheels with the other Art Car series. Not much on the back as far as stamping or tempo work goes or anything like that. And oh man, that gold base looks really, really cool for La Troka. 1994 Bugatti EB110SS from the HW Exotic Series. SS stands for Super Sport, and that was like the limited edition variations of the Bugatti EB110. Really like it in this blue color. I hope they release it in silver as well, because silver is kind of the color for this car as well as that blue. But let's go ahead and pop this one open. An interesting story: way back when these cars first released, I went to the auto show, and there was a silver one of these sitting at the auto show, brand new, and it was like $500,000, but just a crazy looking car, quad turbo V16, I think it is, or W16, something like that. But it's crazy. It's absolutely crazy. I really like the car, like the design of the car. Love all the slots and grille pieces like that. That spoiler looks really good on it. This blue color though does look great. I love these chrome 10-spoke wheels as well, and we can see from the front end, just a crazy looking, and it's so exciting to get new Bugattis to the Hot Wheels lineup. So I'm definitely interested to see what they come out with as far as premium goes for these cars, and we'll definitely have to do a comparison between some other Bugattis right back there. So in the future, stay tuned for that one. Until then, love the Bugatti EB110 Super Sport. Ain't Fair from the HW Metro series, and you can see this one right here. It's a bus. It's got the bike on the front of it. Let's go ahead and pop it open, and it does look really neat. It says HW Destination Center. I don't know, maybe I'm just guessing that's what it is. Hot Wheels Destination Center, something like that. But there it is right here. It looks like an orange color for this one. We've got the gold wheels on there, and we can see from the front end, there it is holding that bike. It just looks like a standard Metro bus right here. And we've got the chrome, the big engine on the back right there. It looks like the air conditioning and fan unit on the top of it right there. And if we look kind of inside, it's chromed on the inside. It's really hard to see because they're like really tinted windows on this one, and it says HW Metro from the side right there. But ain't fair. It's a really interesting casting to come to the Hot Wheels lineup. 52 Chevy from HW Flames series, and there it is, nicely flamed out. And we'll go ahead and take a nice close-up look at this one right here, and it's a matte finish paint job, kind of like that similar matte gray to the Mazda that we looked at earlier. Actually, it's a way different of a color, but it's got that same feel to it though. So very interesting. It's kind of made to look like it's kind of like a rustic design. That's what a lot of these old like hot rod style trucks do, and the hot rod cars and stuff. They're made to look kind of old and rustic, which I think it kind of fits these old cars right here. Got the big chrome on there and chrome on the base of it as well. Very shiny. Not much as far as stamping or anything on the back goes, or the front for any of the lights. They've saved it for all of those big flames on this 52 Chevy. Next up from the Fast Foodie series, we have got the Aisle Driver. New color variation of Aisle Driver. Let's go ahead and pop it open right here. And I've always liked this casting. It's really funny. I mean, you know what it is. It's just a shopping cart, and then it's got the little dude guy right here. And this little dude guy, if you actually put him on right here and you snap him on, he can just go floop, boop, boop. He can go all the way up and down and do whatever stunts, or he can even go here. We'll flip him even that way. We'll go this way as well, and so he can stand that way right there. We got the blacked out wheel with the white lip on there. It says Aisle Driver on it, and it's just got the fully through right here. You can actually put little Lego guys and stuff in here as well. There's that base. It's a very small stance to this one right here, and I don't know if this is supposed to be like an imitation engine or something like that. I don't know where the engine would be on the Aisle Driver, but let's go ahead here. We'll put the little guy in there, and he can just kind of roll away. Bye-bye, Aisle Driver. Porsche 914 Safari from HW Exotics, brand new color variation in white. We saw this one, I believe we saw this one in yellow as our first release, and then there's, I don't know if there was another color in between, I can't remember exactly, but we've got the white color release of this one. Blacked out wheels on this one with the chrome lip on there. It says 21 with the Porsche on the side. 21, I don't know if it means for the 21 release. I don't think so. But we got the nice push bar on the front end. This is like that protector piece right here because it's made for off-road. So when it bounces, it can bounce kind of over stuff right there. And then we've got the nice wheel tire combination spare in there. You can see the roll bar for that one. We've got like the roof rack style thing so it can hold its extra gas tank or any supplies like that. when it's going through its rally. But I really like this car. Definitely a cool, interesting Porsche to the Hot Wheels lineup. And last but not least, in interesting Hot Wheels, it is the Ducati Scrambler Hot Wheels edition from the Baja Blazers. We've got a new color variation of this one. Let's go ahead and pop it open and get a nice look at this one. And you can see this one, it's like kind of like an army color, and then it's got that weird like shark guy on here. So we've seen this one on a lot of cars, that kind of like shark stamping. I'm not too sure the significance of it. I think it's actually, now that I think of it, I remember seeing it on like airplanes back in like the World War I and II. I think like that, they had like those airplane style, like the stamping on there. So I'm not sure exactly, but if you guys know, you can let me know in the comment section down below. It says Ducati right there, and then you can see that color of it, very army style bike for this one. And then the wheel tire combination, I mean, it's really weird how like these like wobble so much. So I don't know, like they're not like, you would think that they would be like locked in, but you can just see how much movement there is for these wheels and tires, which is really, really weird. It's got a good amount of weight for it for being a motorbike, because it's mainly a metal body right here. But nonetheless, what do you guys think? What do you think of the Ducati motorbikes coming to the Hot Wheels lineup? In the comment section down below, let me know which was your favorite Hot Wheels car that I opened up today. Don't forget to hit that like button, follow and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Bye-bye.